morning students, Mehta Solutions, our channel. In trigonometry, last 2 or 3 classes we learned so many sums and some standard angles also. Now finally we are going to learn all formulas related to trigonometry in this section. Total formulas. Now here ABC right angle triangle, whereas B is 90 degrees. I am taking theta over here at C. Now there are 6 ratios in trigonometry, that is, first one is sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here theta का opposite AB by hypotenuse AC, and cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is theta का BC by AC. Tan theta opposite by adjacent. Theta का opposite AB by adjacent BC. These are the 3 main trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan. If you learn sin, cos, tan, ultimately we can learn other 3 ratios also very easily. Why? Because sin theta is there, इसका inverse function cosec theta. रिवर्स करो, hypotenuse by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by opposite, that is equal to AC by AB, and then sec theta. Sec is inverse of cos, hypotenuse by adjacent, that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent is equal to AC by BC. Tan cot theta is equal to, this is the tan का inverse function, tan का inverse function cot, adjacent by opposite, BC by AB. Here in this triangle I took ABC. You can take a PQR triangle XYZ, but the ratios of the formulas are this, like this only. This is the theta. Now we know sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now there is internal relationship between these functions, these ratios. Sin by cos is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. One more, reverse करो, cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Preliminarily we have to learn about these values, ratios of this trigonometric value: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now we are going to learn about the standard angles. Already I explained in my previous section standard angles. That is, the standard angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Whereas sin theta, sin is here equal to sin 0 is equal to 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. These are the sin values. Sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, like that. And then cos theta, cos values. So take ulta order. So here 0 to 1, there, here from 1 to 0, reverse the order, right to left, here there, left to right. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And then third one is tan theta. Tan value, sin by cos is equal to tan, we know, 0 by 1, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 and infinite are not defined. And then sin ka inverse, cosec, 1 by 0, infinite, 2 reverse, root 2, 2 by root 3, all values reverse of sin here 1. And sec, Like sine and cos, there is a relation between cosec and sec. Here right to left, there left to right. Here also same, right to left and left to right. The same order should be reverted. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and infinite. Last one, cot theta is equal to, cot value is equal to, here tan ka reverse 1 by 0 infinite and root 3, tan ka reciprocation 1 by 1 is equal to 1, 1 by root 3 and 1 by 0, infinite means 1 by 0, 1 by 0 means 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. So if you know the sign values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, then easily within 2 to 3 minutes we can complete all the table. These are the standard angles ka values. How to remember these values? In my previous class section mein, in my previous video mein, the relation is there how to find out these values. Students, we know all the ratios of sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. We know sine by cos is equal to tan and cos by sine is equal to cot. Now these are the inverse functions. Now sine theta into cosec theta always 1. Sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, whereas sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta or cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Here this cosec theta aane ke baad here sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1. This is the one more relation between sin and cosec. Likewise sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. See, sec into cos or cos into sec, these are called inverse functions. Inverse functions. Now here sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta or cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, whereas tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Students, now we are going to learn about the complementary angles. The relationship between the two trigonometric ratios are complementary. Which ratios are complementary? Now sine and cos are complementary. These two are, you know, complementary means when two angles, angle x plus angle y is equal to 90 degrees aito, then these x and y are called complementary. You know x, you can find out y, 90 minus y. You know y, you can find out x, 90 minus x. So like this, sine and cos are the complementary angles. See, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. For example, here one more thing, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. You know sin value here, sin 45. So 90 minus 45, 45, that is equal to cos 45. So like this, and then other are sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. You know cosec theta value. Suppose sec 30 is there, 90 minus that 30, you will get 60. That is the cosec 60. Like that. And then tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. These are the complementary angles. Complementary relationship when two angles, sine one angle plus cos another angle should be equal to 90. So follow these steps. Students, we are going to learn about the identities. identities, trigonometric identities. This is the most important topic in solving the sums. Now, first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. See, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, this is the identity. We can derive so many identities with this. If you send a cos square theta over here, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Or take this identity, cos square theta here only. You transpose sin square theta here, this side is equal to that side. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This is the main identity, and this is, we can prepare these two identities also. Sub identities these are called. And then second one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now transpose tan square theta this side. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Or transfer tan square theta this side, 1 this side, interchange. That is called sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. This is the second identity. Now third identity, cosec square theta minus a cot square theta is equal to 1. Why I am remembering 1 means a uniform remembrance will be there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? Likewise cosec square theta minus a cot square theta. Now transpose cos square theta this side. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or transpose 1 this side. Cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Like this we can change. If you remember 1, 2, 3, these three identities, these changings, these are the important while solving the sums. And at any stage, depend upon the condition, we have to use these identities. So with this, all formulas relating to our 10th class, even for NCERT, ICSE or any other state syllabus students ka same topic, same rules. So these are the useful for you students. Please do subscribe our channel. Please like the videos and share the videos also, and share our channel to your friends, classmates and relatives who are studying 10th class. And please do subscribe. Once again, I am requesting you, please follow these rules.